Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video, I would like to thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it, so I just want to thank you guys. So this is a thank you video. Alright, I only started YouTube like a couple of months now, and my channel have been growing very fast, and I really appreciate it. So I just want to encourage you guys to continue to please watch my videos, keep subscribing to my channel. Make sure you put on your notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video, and just keep on watching my videos. Even if you don't like watch the whole video, at least just watch like a couple of minutes so my channel could grow, because YouTube counts every minute when someone watches your video. So if you just click on it and click off, it wouldn't count. Alright, so just watch like at least a couple of minutes to support me, and I would really appreciate that. Alright, so thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get up my minutes now. I have to get like 240,000 minutes or 4,000 hours. So I'm trying to get that up now, so eventually I can get my channel to maybe get like a monetization, So keep on supporting me, guys, alright? And I'll support you too. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Bye. Bye.